While you're working in Rome, you can do a bit of markup to make things not just all plain text in your notes. You'll see some examples of that as we go through some future sessions here, but some of the basic ones are Control B for bold. So if you highlight, hit Control B or Command B on Mac, you'll see the markup show up here with the double asterisks. When you click off, it'll become bold. Control I for italics. Control K for links. So if you do that, it's going to start it, and then you have to put the link in the second half here. So google.com. That'll make Control K link to google.com. Highlight with Control H, just to highlight. And then you can do some headings, and that can be quite useful going down the page because everything in Rome is based on bullets, and you can hide the bullets if you want, but really it's the same layout. But if you do Control Alt and then 1, 2, 3, and 0 have different kinds of headings. 0 takes you back to not being a heading, 1 being big, 2, 3, kind of like in HTML. So you have headings in there, and that can be kind of nice to do a nice big heading at the top maybe for a section. You can drag that guy up there if you want. Put it at the top of the list because it's the heading for the section. And just do some nice markup. And again, to get rid of things, you can just delete the markup and it gets rid of it. You can nest things inside as needed. Just some basic markup. You can always hit the help in the corner for a bit more, but those are the main ones you'll use in your day-to-day use. And again, these links, just one point of clarification too, these links are for external links. This is to go to other websites. The internal links, of course, you use your double brackets or your hashtag to get those going.